Morning. We're working on this 06 here, doing R&R on the engine, and come back here to the transmission, the overdrive section, and find this crack all the way up and around the overdrive section. So just one more piece of the puzzle that's got to be repaired on this unit. I went and cleaned it up. It was pretty visible. You could see it all except for that hole right there. Transmission mount kept that hid, but you could physically see this crack all the way up through there. So this truck should have been, he should have had this inspected by somebody. Should have been put up on a hoist and inspected. But we'll get her fixed for him. We'll take and make sure this is up and ready to go for him. So make sure you have somebody inspect your vehicles. You never know what you find. So y'all be safe out there and have a great day, and we'll see you around. Thank you. Bye.